Welcome G. Let's start Kotlin tutorial. Today I am going to discussing about the Kotlin collections and the ordering. Let's give we have a list of object, list of object 1, object 2, object 3. So sometime we need to perform some ordering, order by its name, order by its age, order by its some ABC attributes, or natural order, or what is the custom order. So this is ordering. Kotlin offers some predefined set of functions that help us to achieve the ordering on the collections. So first let's talk about the natural order and then the custom order. Natural order means is that if in the case of a string, those string class already have provide the sorting method. Okay, so in those scenario you can say ki natural order. Sometime or you can say set a fixed library which already Kotlin offer to you and offer the set of ordering as well as. So this is known as a natural order. Sometimes as a programmer, as our business need, we have to order our list of object on the basis of some different attribute. That's known as custom ordering. So first let's see how default the basic function in the collections offer as a sorted. Okay, and if you are to sort it by ascending order or descending order, maybe ascending means that you 1 2 3 4. If you list of number you want to ascending order, or if you want to descending order then 4 3 5 4 3 2 1. In this your descending order. So we have a both excuse me we have a both methods, sorted, descending. So let's if we have a this of list of, let's give a have integer 4 5 3 2 9. Okay, this is the by default Kotlin offer the number system for you. So in if you print only list and show they are printed as the insertion order on which you have a put the element, so they are not maintain any ordering here 3 7 2 4 9 1, the same way as we put store data in our collections on list, the same order we are getting. Sometime I want to ascending order or descending order. For those we have to use the existing method sorted. And now this is the, if you say println and say list dot sorted, and after that you run the same list you are sorted. If you try to just print again the original list, then you notice your original list is not changed. Okay, original list as a same, that's original, but whenever you want to sort, they sorted function return the new list of the sorted value. So if you think okay, this is the sort the existing collections as well as no okay, list of is the your immutable collections, so you cannot modify anything on the existing collection, but from existing collections you can create new sorted collection. or similarly you can want to sort it in descending order. So this is your ascending order, this is your descending order, and we have a some other function. So similarly here, as you know, uh, this function sorted descending return the elements of collection sorted into the ascending and descending sequence according to the natural order. And natural order, what they are going to apply the comparable elements. So natural order should be comparable, and they have a some also. You cannot perform this. Let's see example like 1 2 3. If you have some strings of numbers, this is the number, this is great. And if you have a let's list one, we have a let's list of stringlets. Here one, here two, here let's get three, let's see here four, let's see here five, let's see here six. Okay, so here it's num str. Okay, so here you can apply sorting and descend order. Number list, I want to sort it, I want to or descend. So in this way you are, this is your sorted by, and this is your sorted by descending order. So let's next talk about the custom order. Custom order means I want to not sort by the predefined. In this case of our Kotlin string object is defines, they are going to sorting the element by each character from alphabetic character. But here I want to sort on the basis of let's say its length. So hold do this is your custom order. So here you are trying to say I want to sort it by your so you have to use this sorted by, and you have to specify its lambda expressions. I want to sort it by its length. So here the this is sorted by its length, 3 length, 3 length, 3 length, then 4 length, then 4 length, then 5 length. Okay, similarly you have also sorted by descending order as well, as if you want. The both as functions take different lambda expression to sort. If you want to customize, then sorted by and observe your two overloaded method your near part. Last. So whatever the lambda expression you want, what are the condition you specify, they have sorted accordingly. Okay, so sometime these to define custom order for the collection of sorting, you can also provide your comparator. I want to my own comparator, not the predefined comparator. So for that we have to use another function sorted with. The sorted with function help us to define my own comparator, and for defining own comparator we have to use the function comparing by. So this is comparing by function and provide your comparator, whatever comparator you want. So let us here like in the same I want to like a println, and here I'm to try to say num string dot sorted with this is the this is kind of a method sorted with that take your comparator. Okay, and this comparator you can define your business logic. I want to compare with the a attribute, a b attribute, a c attribute. Okay, so this is the way Kotlin offer. You can flat sorted or sorted by the predicate or similarly sorted with the comparator. These are three mode of sorting any list, yeah, collections set, you can say. Okay, so sorted with, and here you can pass comparing by whatever attributes you want. Here I want to again its length or its, so they are those, if will help us own comparator. Or let's see another example. We have a class like data class like employee. Employee have, let's take while id, let's key int, let's key they have a while name like a string, let's key we have a while, let's id name, let's age int, let's we have a like well salary, salary column, let's go double. So this is, let's your uh, data class. Now let's create one function that return the list of uh, show the function that create employees, create employees objects. Okay, so let's this function return a list of emp, list of employees. Here you say employee 1, here emp, and you have pass id 11, let's name Tom, let's age 40, let's age 56, let's salary 67. Okay, this is the employee 1. Let's see, we have create employee. Okay, we have, let's say salary 29,000, 600, let's 89. So this is some different salary. Let's key we have age some 61, let's we have age 40, 35, let's we have age 45, let's we have a age I think 50, and let's we have a 25, let's Tom Smith M M Lee Sue Sean Jeff, this, and let's key this is the employee ID 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so if you just print in your create employee object, so they are printing all the employee with this same insertion order. Okay, So here I want to just print, then here you say this is the just a create a variable. Okay, well, emp okay, so here say emp dot sorted with, and here pass comparator comparing by employee dot let's gauge. I want to sort it by age. Okay, so if you just here, okay, okay, this is the your lambda expression. What is the expected parameter of types E? Comparing E dot age. What is C? That's it. Object it. Okay. So you are here printed then emps, here you're sorted by, so here if you note 25 then 35 by age they are sorted, again 35, again 50, again 65. So here two time I think 35, yes 35, let's see that, get 40 51. Okay, here you have to pass like if you want to buy his name, so pass comparator, here say I want to buy name, so this is sorted by its name. So if sometime you want to provide, now this is the first letter Emily, then and some sorted by its name or sorted by its salary, whatever you want, you provide the different comparator. So Kotlin offer just you pass here the lambda expression which fields you want to sort your collections. So this is known as you have to pass a specific your comparator. Okay, in this way you can achieve the custom sorter. So sometime you want kind of a reverse order. So similarly they have also already, let's give we have a printer than your nums, and now you want to like a dot reverse order first. So you here getting the your data in reverse order. Okay, this is your natural order, this is your reverse order. So we have a some ascending descending sorting at reverse sorting, and if same reverse functions, they have another kind of reversing function known as reverse. So it's returned the view of a same collection instance, but it may more lightweight and preferable than the reverse. So generally they are used to as reserved reversed. So you are trying to say have another API which more preferable as this is. So this is slightly some preferable way. Both are doing the same thing, but it's a preferable way. Okay, this implementation of this is more lightweight than the reversed. If you want to some kind of a random number order, so we have a function like a shuffle. We have a shuffle, that's the shuffle. You try to two times here, three times you are getting the different kind of randomly order, not the fixed order. If you let this is the year last three, this is if you look, this is a random order 4 6 4 5 3 6, then 4 6 7, then 3 4 5. Sometime you need a random number, randomly order of my collections. So these are the kind of your ordering. Sometime we have some need some aggregate operation like a max, mean, average, sum, count. So generally we have a list of object. We have to manually get one by one, add all the age, sum, or count. So for basic general is maximum, minimum, average, sum. We can I can say already Kotlin offered the set of operations. So let's example, we have a list of number and these kind of functions they offer. Let's, well, now number one equal to, let's list of number. Let's we have a number, any number, 6 42 10 comma 4 comma 9 comma 6 2. Okay, and here you have options, print one dot dot. They have a offer function like if you want to count count function. So you want to count the element of our list. So this is a sixth element. You have a function like maximum. You say max. Generally you have a kind of a this is the, you can say max function, but generally prefer you can max or null. If there is no any max found in, if your collection is empty, then you have to pass your max or null. Okay, so you can use max or null. If max found, max or just null. So these are safety functions. Maximum 61. Similarly want to min, or you similarly say min or null. Okay, this is the minimum. Or you want to kind of average, I want to sum. So these kind of a function available. Sum, can sum of the all elements, or you want to kind of average, this is sum, print, then you want to number one dot average. So these are a predefined set of you can a library available. Just you know these collections offer kind of these functions, and we have a this all the I want to just like sum of all the digit double number. You want to perform some transformation before you want to sum. So you have a function like a sum of, and here you can pass your lambda expression by which business logic you want to sum. So here let's key println I want num1 dot sum of, I want to give lambda expression, I want to just for each element just multiply by 2 and then sum it. So you are doing this way. Or this is the same we can achieve like here println you are say let's key we have a num1 dot map and map say key all the number multiply by 2 transformation, and after that just you want to sum. So this way you also can do, but the sum of functions just offer you, you can provide your whatever the for each element you want to perform. Here for each numbers for each elements of I want to double it, and after that I want to sum. The two operation like map and sum are combined here. Similarly, in this lambda expression, you can pass whatever the info. Just I want to sum up the all the it's uh, double by half. So we have multiple options available. So let us sometime you want to kind of some reductions. Reductions means ki just you want to sum reduce have a options like this is the function I want to reduce means just I want to sum for all element. So you have options, you can do println say this is the one dot reduce function. Reduce say functions give me your number and this is the number what you want. Here I want to just uh, accumulator plus your numbers I want to plus, and the same result as a you got an sum. Okay, so here reduce function here especially specify in reductions you want to what you want to summation, you want to multiplications of some. These are the you have a list of number, and here reductions maybe perform any operation you want to plus, that means sum. You want let's say multiplication, you want to reduce operations. So in the reductions you can here manually you can specify the lambda expression and which kind of reduction you want. Okay, similarly this reduce println you have a function and the like a fold. Okay, a fold function fold function need initial value. Initial I'm starting from 0 and then your next lambda expression, and lambda expression pass similarly what the you as a value want. Okay, okay. So let's here initial value help us to let's key I want like multiplication. So for multiplication initial value should be 1. You cannot say 0. If you like 0, all the multiplication would be the 0, but here initial value would be your 1, so that you are getting proper multiplication of all the value. Okay, so fold and reduce kind of functions which help us what kind of a business logic you want to reducing or folding. Okay, so sometime you want to kind of running reduce, that means you want to display how this, let's print then you say run dot running fold running reduce. Okay, and here say that's I want to AC plus your all number accumulator plus all number. In this say one by one list is first 6 and then 48 then 58, just print here number so it's clear. If now this is your number 6 plus 42, this is the 6 6 plus 42, your output. This plus 10, this output. This plus 4, this output. This plus this output. This plus this output. In this way, this is the running. Generally this is not little, but sometime you want, we have to running some fold reduction operations, so we have a similar methods functions available in Kotlin we can use. Okay, similarly we have a like reduce, so running reduce. Similarly we have a fold you have to pass initial value and then whatever lambda expression you want. And here similarly, like you are running fold, and this way you can getting a running item. So this is the kind of a small uh, set of collections method, utility method, which help us to save lots of time. Sometime I want to max, min, count, or sorting. So for sorting, you can use the natural order sorting. Natural order sorting is the list of items like a name or a employee object. They are a predefined comparable interface. They have a implemented only those interface are only natural order support. If you want to custom order, then you have to pass own comparator. Then you have to use the function sorted with. So we have a function sorted, and we have a function sorted with for comparator. If you want to sort it by the some lambda expression, sorted by. And similarly we have some reduction function. We have to reduce and fold, both are function you can use. Again, here I would like to say thank you for watching this video.